Hello there, it's Halo with Armageddon Report. Right, we've still got stuff going on, as is the case of so often. First, I'll point out this was kind of interesting. This is apparently, actually, this 40% blob probability is apparently actually the remnants of Isaac, or part of the remnants of Isaac. And I read this on weather.gov, but apparently if this were to generate into something, it wouldn't be Isaac. And that's because this wasn't part of the main circulation of Isaac. I have no idea where the main circulation went, but this is apparently part of the remnants, just not part of the main part. So it would be named Nadine, I do believe. Yes, we've got Leslie. Leslie's still generating dangerous or potentially dangerous and life-threatening surf and rip current conditions. And then we've got Michael out here, Category 3. Category Tres Hurricane. Right, but no land hazards with that storm. And then the Northwest Pacific, a couple of areas in Vest. We've got, 95 WP and 94 WP. However, the JTWC, no outlooks on either of those at the moment. Severe thunderstorm-wise, yes, there's definitely some severe thunderstorms in your future. Well, or the United States. That kind of I don't know. Whatever. 15% chance of winds, 30% chance of hail, but 2% chance of a tornado. Here are the watches in effect right now. Severe thunderstorm watch down there predominantly, well actually only for Missouri. It looks like it overlaps a little bit with Illinois, but apparently it does not go in there county-wise anyway. And then one for New York and Vermont. 9 p.m. EDT and 8 p.m. CDT for those two. 19 warnings in effect as of the time that I opened the page. So a whole bunch right there and a few over there going on. Things going on, yes. So let's take a look at the specific probability map. So here is the wind map. So that would mean the possibility and or probability of winds 58 miles per hour greater. So there's slight risk areas there. And all of them connected. And then this 5% thing over there off on its own for some reason. Hail-wise, Kansas and Nebraska apparently are the hotspot, the red zone, the something, where hail is most likely. And severe hail, 1 inch or larger, so 30% chance for that area, but 5% at the very least, 5% for pretty much that whole area that was in the wind. And then apparently where the hail is possible, or most possible or whatnot, is also where tornadoes are possible. But 2% not huge. So for instance, randomly we pick this point in Kansas, and that would mean that the 2% indicates that this random point, there's a 2% chance that that random point or someone within a 25-mile radius of them will see a tornado today. So for instance, much more likely, nearly a 1 in 3 chance that that person or someone in a 25-mile radius will see hail, for instance. Yes, and tomorrow we've got another slight risk thing, as high as 30% with the severe probabilities. It's moving eastward. And then so there's your hot zone for tomorrow, but the day after and the day after that, as of yet, or as of now or whatnot, not very high. SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of the screencast where you can watch it for some reason. You go watch the other ones over there. Oh yes, let's check on the drought real quick. I'll just point out real quickly, I already looked it up. But Isaac dropped a lot of rain in a lot of drought areas, but in terms of actually officially, bringing the drought areas down, it had very little impact. Now, presumably, obviously it helped somewhat, it just didn't help on the official level. So, but that means that there is now less water or whatnot that will be necessary to end the drought. But yes, still very much a drought. And WikiWix is WIKEDWX.com, Cyclocana, CYCLOCANE.com, where you can check on all of these things that are happening out in the Oceano Atlantico, or whatever it would be called. Anyway, that's it for today. Enjoy your day.